Welcome students on online class of subject physics. Today we have study about chapter number 15, structure of atoms and nuclei. In this chapter we have seen about standing waves, matter waves for third orbit and for fourth orbit. And before that video, we have seen constituents of a nucleus. So in this constituent of nucleus, we have already studied that atom has positive charge and high density at the center, which holds 99.9% mass of atom, called as nucleus. In Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom, at center nucleus is there, and surrounding the nucleus electron is revolved. The size of atom is of order about 10⁻⁻10 meter, and the size of nucleus about of the order of 10⁻⁻15 meter. So that nucleus is made of protons and neutrons. Inside the nucleus, protons and neutrons, which are called subatomic particles, means protons and neutrons, when they are together, then are referred as nucleons or called as nucleons. Mass of neutrons is nearly same as mass of protons. Actually, mass of neutron is greater than slightly greater than mass of proton. But here, mass of neutron is nearly same as mass of proton. So mass of neutron is 1.674927 into 10⁻⁻27 kg, whereas mass of proton, it will be 1.672623 into 10⁻⁻27 kilogram. Means mass of neutron and mass of proton are nearly same, but mass of neutron is slightly greater than mass of proton, so that mass of neutron is slightly greater than mass of proton. Mass of proton is about 1836.1 times mass of electron. 1836.1 times mass of electron. But mass of neutron is about 1836.6 times mass of electron. So that mass of electron is 9.1 into 10⁻⁻31 kg. Here, charge of proton is same as charge of electron, but charge of neutron is neutral. So here, charge of proton and charge of electron, if we can see charge of proton and charge of electron. Here Cp and Ce. Sometimes charge of proton E of P, E of E may be given, which is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So that the number of protons inside the nucleus in atom is called as atomic number. If a question is asked, what is meant by atomic number, then you can write the number of protons inside the nucleus in atom is called as atomic number. This atomic number is represented or denoted by Z. So, number of electrons inside the atom will be Z. So, total positive charge and total negative charge of an electron or of an atom are equal. If total positive charge and total negative charge in an atom are equal, then the atom is said to be electrically neutral. So, number of neutrons. Here, number of neutrons inside the nucleus. Number of neutrons inside the nucleus is taken as capital N. So that total number of nucleons means neutrons and protons, or total number of neutrons and total number of protons inside the nucleus is called as mass number. If a question is asked what is meant by atomic number and what is meant by mass number, then we can say that the total number of nucleons means total number of neutrons and total number of protons inside the nucleus is called as mass number, whereas total number of protons, only protons inside the nucleus, is called as atomic number, which can be represented by Z, and mass number, it can be represented by capital A. So, if we can see, then mass number is equal to total number of protons, means atomic number plus number of neutrons inside the nucleus, means capital A is equal to Z plus capital N. So that mass number determines mass of nucleus of an atom. If atom of element is represented by X, means X is an atom or X is an element, then symbol for element will be mass number and Z, mass number A and atomic number Z can be represented like this. See here, where A will be mass number and Z will be atomic number. For hydrogen, mass number is 1 and atomic number is 1, means number of protons and neutrons are 1 and number of protons inside the atom called as atomic number is 1 for hydrogen atom. For carbon atom, if we can see 12C6 means mass number is 12, atomic number is 6. Means we can read it, mass number of carbon is 12 and atomic number of carbon is 6, can be written as C12,6. Okay. Similarly, for oxygen, mass number of oxygen will be 16 and atomic number of oxygen will be 8. Means we can write 16O8. Example. If we can see the examples, hydrogen nucleus can have sometimes 0, sometimes 1 or 2 neutrons. Means if mass number of hydrogen is 1, atomic number of hydrogen is 1, referred as hydrogen. If mass number of hydrogen is 2, atomic number of hydrogen is 1, can be referred as deuterium. If mass number of hydrogen is 3 and atomic number of hydrogen is 1, can be referred as tritium. So that we can see another example for phosphorus. Phosphorus having mass number 31 and atomic number 15 can be represented by 31P15. Another example will be for fluorine. Fluorine has mass number 19 and atomic number 9. Similarly, another example can be seen, that is gold. Gold having mass number 197 and atomic number 79. Here we can see isotopes. So question will be asked, what is mean by isotope? The atoms which has same number of protons and different number of neutrons called as isotopes. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes. One is hydrogen, another is deuterium, and third will be tritium. In hydrogen, mass number is 1, atomic number is 1. In deuterium, mass number is 2, atomic number is 1. And in tritium, mass number is 3, atomic number is 1. Another definition will be seen, what is meant by isobar. Here, in isotope, atom having same number of protons and different number of neutrons. But in isobar, atoms which has same mass number and different atomic number. So isobars having different neutrons, carbon mass number 13, atomic number 6, and nitrogen mass number 13, atomic number 7, or helium mass number 3, atomic number 2, or helium mass number 4, atomic number 2, or for hydrogen mass number 3, atomic number 1, and helium mass number 3, atomic number 2 are the isobars. Means we have studied the 2 definitions. Number 1, what is meant by isotopes, and number 2, what is meant by isobars, their examples. In isotopes, atoms having same number of protons, different number of neutrons. But in isobars, atoms has same mass number and different atomic number.